Montego.
Me know what?
It was. What exactly are you doing? Hmm?
Just take off the top right.
Oh.
Tired.
Tired?
Tired.
What will you do for tired?
Tired.
Are you ready?
Daddy.
You tired already?
I'll go. I'm ready. Daddy, my knee.
Really? Yeah. Hi.
Down on the Montego. Nasty.
What?
Big man like you and you have nose phone.
Yo, stop and watch me, man. You don't can watch people business. Sure.
Sorry.
Nasty.
What?
Down on the Montego.
Just be yourself, man.
Yeah, they got me those though, sorry. Clean out. See, baby, I pay attention to your uncle.
I'm trying to kick up foot. Me saying love camera for. No, sir. That's too sensible.
Okay, so I'm the girl on the left side of your screen. You can call me Giggles. You can definitely depend on me for always keep it real. And I am Aisha. I currently reside in the community of Rosite, up on the hill, 15 minutes away from Montego Bay City Square.
Okay, how do y'all feel to be the new face of the Justin Blake channel?
Terrible. But look, no makeup, no lipstick. Yeah.
But you really need that to show your beauty?
Yeah, cause natural beauty. Snapchat, I look some of it.
Where's that Snapchat make people look good nowadays?
Yeah, the body I use.
Don't worry yourself, it's when time me put this on my computer and start do my editing.
Go look pretty in that it.
And me fi tell you,
Don't it?
blemishes disappear.
Yeah,
Because I got people out there with it.
yeah, you go have enough in that.
And show support.
Not sell enough love. Not
You
sell
got some
enough.
love, show support, some hate, some got bad things to say on them. So
Yeah, but just ignore that.
Negative
Cause not
things.
make nobody bring me down. Cause me I get my money, nails and everything. Makeup. Mommy, I get my money. Go buy Gucci shoes, Gucci stuff, everything. Watch out.
Run down.
Yeah, I'm going to come family. But I one thing though. I'm not going to buy daddy any Mataran. Don't talk. Right this song. Period.
A wonderful actor, and she flagged some interesting stuff. She and someone else will check out it. Normally it's the two of them. They must be sisters. I never asked. But hear me as know people. Go subscribe to them, and we're going to give out a free shout out to one of the person that subscribe to her and comment Team Klein or comment Klein and Nikki send you. You see me? So we'll give her the energy.
How they put your bread?
Only for things, man. Only for things upon my brain.
Don't afraid to talk about it in a elder car. When you get certain things off of your mind, it's better for you.
Boy.
You know, say anything I do always positive and something positive always come of it. So one of the things I always try to tell people is just maintain a positive state of mind and not worry about it, man.
And live up.
And live up.
The more you live down, the more you go.
Stress and depression, straight down in the ground you go. better you live up. Can't be stubborn all the day of your life. Alright, one of the things that help me if you understand the time I'm living in, I always try to learn new things, try new things, you know? As long as it not go against my moral, I'm not afraid to challenge myself to try new things because by doing that, I overcome.
Things that they reach me right now. Never reach me, never they reach me, never they reach me. And through that now it bring a vibe for me, you know? Bring a vibe.
For real.
Because me stand up at the doorway there, whenever me think about a whole heap of things. So imagine, when me they work, when I know them a problem. Now me not working. They depend upon, Me don't like the attitude they got now. Me don't like the depend upon.
You mean like that depend upon other people?
Yes. You know? I don't love it. I love the attitude. Me like have my own.
Independent?
Yes.
True.
I love that.
What may I have to talk about? More unity you want in our place and love. How do you discover that? When may I talk about more peace, unity, togetherness. I hear that? Yeah. You have to love each one and teach each one same way as how you love yourself. Though, that's how you think go. You see me? Unity and strength, I may not have said that. Just that. What God name? Love. Try remember that. The power of love. As long as we have life, you, I am fine. Check out Frostel Vivo. I don't know anything, go subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Love and like it. Share, same way. Always be grateful about life, that's how I think go down.
You know, so we are going in town.
Yeah?
Yeah, we go grab a couple stuff, you know, so to that them and stuff.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.